With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. Let fx is equals to a0 a1x plus a2x square plus and so on an into x raised to the power n, where my ai are non-negative integers for I is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on till n. If f1 is equals to 21 and f25 is equals to 78,357, then find the value of f10. Okay, so here I'm going to solve this thing. So basically we have given fx is equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square and so on an x raised to the power n. Here we have given that my f1 is equals to 21. Okay, means I'm going to put the value of x as 1 here. So it will be f1 is equals to 21 is equals to a0 plus a1 plus a2 plus and so on a n. Okay, so this is my first equation, let's say, and the second thing is given as that f of 25. I'm writing here f of 25, it is equals to 78,357. It is equals to a0 plus a1 25 plus a2 25 square plus a3 25 cube plus a4 25 raised to the power 4 plus and so on an 25 raised to the power n. Okay, so here if you see, then you can clearly say that my a4 cannot possible, means from the a4 till an there should be no term, means a4 a5 till my an must be equals to 0, because if you can see here my 25 raised to the power 4, so 25 raised to the power 4, it is nothing but 3 lakh. I'm writing here, it is 3,90,625. This is the value of 25 raised to the power 4, and here we have given the total summation 78,000. So how can this possible? That's why I'm saying that a4 must be 0 till my an, the all coefficients should be 0. Okay, otherwise the value will become the greater than the 78,000. Okay, now checking for the 25 raised to the power 3. So 25 raised to the power 3, it is nothing but 15,625. Okay, so this is the simple value of the 25 raised to the power 3. So it is possible because we have 78,000 and here it is 15,000. That's why we can say that, we can clearly see that it is possible. So I'm writing here, for checking the, after checking the possibility, I'm writing here 78,357. For making this value, I only should have these values. Okay, 25a1 plus it is 25 raised to the power, means 625 into a2 plus 15625 into a3. Okay, and this will make 78,357 because we cannot take the coefficient after a3. Okay, now moving further, how much values, or we can say the greatest value that we can put here in place of a3. Okay, so we can put as maximum as a3 as 5. Okay, so my a3 must be less than is equals to 5. Why? Because I put 5 here. Because I put 5 here, I will get, on putting 5 here, 15625 into 5, it will be nothing but 78,125, which is less than 78,357. Okay, so this is possible. When we put 5 here, it will give me this value, and this is less than this. That's why it is possible. Okay, if let's suppose if I put the greatest value of a3 here, means if I put 5 over here, I will get this value. How much value I will left with? Okay, so I'm writing here the value I will left with I'm writing here, we have given 78,357. We got 78,125. We will left with, on subtracting this, it will be this 232. I will left with 232. So we have to make 232 by these three terms. But wait, you cannot make 232 by these three values, because here we have 625. If we put a2 as 1, then it will make, if a2 is 1, then it will make 625 itself, okay, and which is greater than 232. It is not possible. Now check, if I put here less than 5, then what will happen? If I put, let's suppose 4, okay, if I put, let's suppose 4, and my a2 will be something, okay, my a2 will be something value. If you put 4 here, it will very less, and you should put a greater than 21. And here you can see my f1 is completely 21. How can you put a2 as 21? That's why it is not also possible, okay, because if you put less than 5 here, it will make a smaller value than the 78,000, and for making that 78,357, you should put a2 as greater than 21, and the complete value of f1 is 21. Then we cannot put my a2 as greater than 21, okay, then my equation 1 will not hold. That's why I only can put my a2 as 0, okay, this is the only case. Now checking for a1 and a0. So a1, we can put a1 as 1, 2, and how much value we can put in place of a1? So I'm telling you that I can put my a1 till my 9, means my a1 must be less than or equals to 9. How? If you put 9 here, then 25 into 9, it will be 225, and when we put 225 here, it is satisfying. We cannot put greater than 9, because if we put 10 here, then it will be 250, which is greater than 232 obviously, and it will left me 7 when we put 9 here, okay. Now moving further, if we put 9 here, then how much value a0 will get? It will get 7. But I'm going to check whether I can take a0 as another value or not. If I put 8 here, on putting 8 here, I will get the value of 25 into 8 as 200, okay, and if we subtract 200 from this thing, you will get 32, and my a naught must be 32 for making this possible. But wait, I have this condition, f1 is equals to 21. So if my a0 will become 32, then how this equation, or you can say this condition, will hold? It is greater than 21, 32 itself greater than 21, then we are adding something in that, then how can you say that this a naught is 32? Understood my point? That's why we only can put my a naught as 7 and my a1 as 9, okay. So now I'm going to check whether I found the values are correct or not. So my f1 is equals to 21, okay, and we only can take 4 values, means a naught plus a1 plus a2 plus a3, okay. Now I'm putting all the values. So a naught is 7 plus a1, it is 9, plus a2 is 0, plus a3 is 5. On adding them, you will clearly get 21, and it is equal. That's why I found the points are correct. Now moving further, we actually wanted to find the value of f10. So first I'm going to write my fx, my new fx. It will be equals to, here it is a naught plus a1x a2x square. So I'm writing this thing, a naught is 7 plus a1x. My a1 is, I already found 9, so it will be 9x plus 0 into x square plus a3 is 5 into x cube, okay. So this is my equation. I'm going to find my f10. It will be 7 plus 9 into 10 plus 5, 10 cube, okay, which is my 1000. So I'm finding the value of f10. Finally I'm writing it. So it will be f10 is equals to 7 plus 90 plus 5000. It will be 5097. So this is the value, required value of f10. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.